Friends, hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I will tell you and show you two methods how you can turn on or turn off your cellular data on iPhone. Don't forget, friends, please put likes under the video, write comments for sure, and also subscribe to our channel. And let us get started. So, first of all, the first method. And you'll need to open the settings on your iPhone. Now look at the top. Under the Bluetooth section, you can find cellular data. Click pause. And next you will need to tap on the cellular data section to enable it. This is how you will connect the internet through your mobile carrier. You can also go to cellular data options, and here you will see different, for example, more data such as roaming and so on. You can go through them and customize them as you like. For the second method, you just have to swipe down from the right side of your iPhone screen to open up an option like Control Center. And then you can tap on this square on the left-hand side. And see, you get a menu like this, and you just have to tap on the cellular data, friends, so that it's green like mine. So that means you've connected them. So that you can turn them off as well. If they turn gray, then you have already turned them off. These are the methods, friends. You will be able to turn off and turn on the cellular data on your iPhone. I really hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to put likes and also write comments. See you.